push you crowd and tell that shit to everybody. So we hear you talking, boo, but we just don't believe you.
Blue Jays right there, them blue birds. I seen one out here the other day.
Alright, reggae time now.
Nah. Only shit that I said.
Alright, hold on.
About it.
Take this shit out, man.
See, Greasy.
Take this shit out.
I
said put reggae. When I say put reggae, you put reggae. Not when you want it, when I want it.
Alright, put some shit that I heard already,
I don't give
please.
a fuck what you heard is what I heard. We all gonna hear it.
Yike.
Look at this wet mouth. Look. I hate when this nigga smoke.
With that nigga?
Disgusting.
It's my world. You just live in it, bitch.
That's right, man.
Get the cheese. Get the cheese. Get the cheese. Cause you got the cheese. Put the ham together. Whip it up. Make a ham and cheese sandwich. With a little butter on the bread. Toast it up. You know, on wheat bread. That's about it.
A little butter on the bread. Whatever know the butter. Put the butter on. Oh, we about to get old school. Old school.
Hey! How can you get that? How can you get that? That's coming off the earthquake in the attic rhythm. Earthquake in the attic. Earthquake. Bitch trying to cheat me. Don't do DD. Cause she got BD. Cause she got BD. No HID. No HID. No HID.
One hop with it. Two hop with it. Get got it. Left foot. Right foot. Step back. Think about it. Open the box. Oh, get it.
Not hot no more.
Now, look the fro. Oh my God, look at the fro. Looking like a clown and Coney Island. Can't be smiling. I don't know. Anything for Browns? Honey mustard.
Look at this leprechaun. He ain't set the thing.
He said he bleached his button up. That's bleach. It's not the style. That's bleach.
St. Patrick Day all year. St. Patrick Day all year. I thought it was once a year, but he do it all year. All year.
Is that a dirty black smudge on the hat? I don't know what that. What the fuck is that? About to acid on her hat. You got a hoop earring, looking like Dennis Rodman from Gary. Hey.
Square, you over there. Look at them squares sitting in your ear. Where you going with the square? You got the square in the air.
Where you going with the orthopedic slippers? Ain't no name brand on them. Walk around squack.
You got the Nike. You wanna fight me? Cause they ran down. You are A-class.
Ran down. She has slippers. They're not even blue. I don't know what them slippers are. What they got? Dots, holes, ruts, shots. Oh my God! Wait a minute, slow. You gotta get them low.
No.
Shake it, smoke that split and no bake it, bake it, hey, kick it, whoop.
Twirl it together. Better get it together. No matter the weather.
Stop it.